Welcome back to Vibes Worldwide. Today, we're taking a scenic drive through the charming village of Winson in Gloucestershire, England. Nestled amidst rolling hills and picturesque landscapes, Winson offers a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. As we make our way into Winson, the first thing you'll notice is the sheer tranquility of this area. The roads are quiet, winding gently through rolling hills and verdant fields. The sound of the car mingles with the rustle of trees and the occasional call of birds. This is quintessential English countryside at its best. One of the hallmarks of Winson is its traditional dry stone walls. These ancient structures are a testament to the craftsmanship of the region. They've stood here for centuries, framing pastures where sheep and cows graze peacefully. It's almost as if time moves slower here, and that's exactly what makes this place so special. The road climbs gently, offering panoramic views of the surrounding countryside. Rolling hills stretch out in every direction, dotted with sheep grazing peacefully in emerald green pastures. In the distance, a quaint village nestles amongst the trees, smoke curling from its chimneys. It's a scene that could have been plucked from a postcard. Winson's history dates back to the Domesday Book of 1086, where it was recorded as a small farming settlement. Over the centuries, the village has seen everything from Roman roads to medieval trade routes. The surrounding countryside is dotted with archaeological sites, hinting at the lives of those who came before. It's a place where history feels alive, woven into the fabric of daily life. Stepping just outside the village, you're greeted by expansive views of the surrounding countryside. These hills are part of the Cotswolds area of outstanding natural beauty, a protected region known for its stunning landscapes. Whether it's the golden light of dawn or the soft hues of sunset, this scenery never fails to captivate. Now we're entering the heart of Winson. The village is a classic example of the Cotswolds' timeless appeal. Many of these houses date back to the 17th and 18th centuries, and their preservation is a point of pride for the community. Did you know that during the English Civil War, villages like Winson often served as neutral zones, where farmers and villagers tried to maintain their way of life amidst the chaos? It's remarkable to think about the resilience of communities like this. Winson's charm lies in its ability to stay true to its roots. There's no rush here, no bustling city streets or towering skyscrapers. Instead, you'll find a village that embraces simplicity and tradition, where life moves at a pace that allows you to appreciate every moment. Even the village's layout reflects its history, with winding lanes that follow ancient pathways used by travelers and shepherds for centuries. As we approach Winson, you'll start to see the village's charming architecture come into view. The honey-coloured Cotswold stone, quarried locally, gives the cottages their distinctive warmth. Many of these homes were built during the height of the wool trade, a period when the Cotswolds became one of the wealthiest regions in medieval England. The area's wool was so prized that it was known as Cotswold lion wool, named after the breed of sheep whose fleece contributed to this golden age. This prosperity is reflected in the craftsmanship of these buildings, which have stood the test of time, showcasing mullioned windows, stone-tiled roofs, and gabled facades. The houses here line the road in perfect harmony, their stone walls and sloping roofs creating a seamless blend with the surrounding countryside. Walking through this village feels like stepping into a living postcard. The streets are quiet, with just the sound of birdsong and the gentle rustle of leaves in the breeze. Each house seems to have its own character, yet they all share the same timeless charm that defines the Cotswolds. The soft golden hue of the stone glows in the afternoon light, a hallmark of this region's architecture. As you continue down the lane, you'll notice the consistency in design, a reflection of the village's historic roots. These homes were built to withstand the test of time, and their enduring beauty is a testament to the skill and dedication of the craftsmen who built them. Many of the houses are set back slightly from the road with quaint front gardens bordered by low stone walls. These gardens are filled with traditional plants, lavender, roses, and even the occasional fruit tree. It's easy to imagine villagers tending to these spaces, keeping them vibrant and welcoming for generations. The streets here aren't perfectly straight, but rather they curve gently, following the natural contours of the land. This adds to the charm, making every turn feel like a discovery. You can almost picture villagers from centuries past walking these same paths, carrying goods, or simply enjoying the peace of their surroundings. As we reach the end of this street, the view opens up to the surrounding countryside, reminding us of the seamless connection between the village and nature. Winson isn't just a place, it's a reflection of history, harmony, and the quiet beauty of rural England. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Winson Village. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more peaceful explorations. This has been Vibes Worldwide, bringing you beauty from around the globe. Until next time, stay inspired and keep vibing.